To the distinguished viewers of this presentation, a pleasant day. We are delighted to present to you our artwork for the summative assessment of this course. But before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Joseph Manuel Dalangin, first year from BS Psychology.
I am Rome Carly P. Aragon, first year from BS Psychology.
I am Missy Mabulay, first year from BS Psychology.
I'm Villareal, first year from BS Tourism.
Lastly, I am Franco Miguel Collado, first year from BS in Tourism.
Exhibit, we decided to create a tamaraw out of recycled papers. We've specifically chosen this emblem since apart from being the university's official mascot, its intelligence and aggressiveness also signifies the students' hunger for academic excellence. And we think that in these trying times amid the pandemic, we must at least impart the message that we, students, still have that thirst and eagerness to learn things, most especially in mathematics. We understand that sometimes the online setup hinders us from having a thorough understanding of various mathematical concepts, so we wanted this art to resemble our persisting hunger and aggressiveness to learn.
For this art exhibit, we have also incorporated 3 mathematical concepts. The first one is geometry, the branch of mathematics that deals with size, shapes, and relative position of figures. We mainly focus on Euclidean geometry and the beauty of using different kinds of triangle. The second concept is about patterns. Patterns are things that show repetition, regularity, and recursion. Our art exhibit covers symmetry as a subtopic. The third mathematical concept incorporated is the history of numbers, values, and money, wherein ox and cattle are used as monetary standards. We want to recreate them, but with a touch of Filipino essence. Thus, we chose tamaraw as our main image. We'll present more thorough discussion about this. But first, let us show you how we created this artwork.
With the ongoing community quarantine in the country, canvassing of materials became limited. Thus, we had to be creative with the materials that are already available in our households.
For this artwork, we decided to integrate the concept of Euclidean geometry, which is a mathematical system that deals with flat or two-dimensional spaces. This concept can be observed through the materials that we use rather than using curved or three-dimensional medium. We've only used flat materials.
From here, we can observe Euclid's postulates and axioms. For the postulates, one can draw a straight line from any point to any point. One can produce a finite straight line continuously in a straight line. All right angles equal one another. If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side less than two right angles, the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the angles are less than two right angles.
Meanwhile, for the axioms, we can see the application of such in the adjacent shapes composing the artwork. The following are some of the Euclidean axioms that are applied in the artwork. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. If equals are added to equals, the whole are equal. Equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. The whole is greater than a part. Apart from Euclidean geometry, we've also utilized various triangles to form the shape of the tamaraw. We've used right triangles, acute triangles, and even obtuse triangles.
One of the mathematical concepts that we have also applied in this artwork is patterns. Patterns are any repeated arrangements of numbers, colors, and shapes. In our tamaraw artwork, the colors and shapes were both arranged in symmetrical patterns, wherein if we draw a line across the shape, both sides would still mirror each other. There are 4 types of symmetry, namely translation, rotation, reflection, and glide reflection.
Apart from using the tamaraw as an emblem of excellence, we also use it to reflect the evolution of values, number, and money in the past. According to George Ifra, animals were used as the monetary standard in ancient times.
Mathematics is not just a mere collation of numerical concepts, theories, approaches, or processes that deal with the problems of the real world, nay, the civilization of man.
Mathematics is also a way to express art.
We wanted to show you how we can create a masterpiece out of simple shapes and patterns.
Through this artwork, we hope that we were able to show that mathematics is about imagination and raw creativity.
In the words of Paul Lockhart, mathematics is the purest of the art as well as misunderstood. Now that you have witnessed the different sides of mathematics, it is now in your hands on how you will make it creative and fun.